Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you in desperate need of some new dish towels and dishcloths? I know I was, and this set by MALLOWEX is so nice. It is extremely high quality, and these things are so soft and so thick, they make cleaning so easy. I really feel like it's easier to scrub when you have a nice thick dishcloth. And like I said, they are very, very soft and thick. Look how thick this is. Another thing that I really appreciated was when I would dry my hands on a lot of cheap towels, my rings would snag them instantly. But these, I couldn't even get it to snag if I tried. They look really nice just hung up over my stove for a hand towel. This is a perfect gift for someone. It comes wrapped with this really pretty bow. So if you have a housewarming gift you need, I think this is a really great set because who doesn't need a nice set of dish towels and dish rags? If you are in desperate need like I was, I highly recommend getting these. They look beautiful and they work so well. And that's my point of view.